Okay, so now we're going to go over the mobile editor for the website. And this part, although simple, is very important because most individuals will visit your website via the phone. So you want to click this phone icon here on the website. And then simply put, you're just going to make sure it looks really nice on mobile. So usually if it just has your icon and your menu here, you want to make sure it's put to the side so that it's kind of evenly spaced. You want to push this up. This one actually mobile optimized pretty good on its own. Right? There's blank space here. You want to delete it. You might want to bring the text a little bit down. And I usually recommend centering all the text. But again, this website actually did a good job mobile optimizing. Delete any random spaces. Make sure all your headers are the same size. So here it went to 28. Let's just make it 26. We need to make this 26 and push it down a little bit. You really don't need social media icons for your mobile pages, so you can always hide those. And let me just show you again how I did that. I clicked on it and clicked this little hide element feature. And I always want to hide it from the mobile section, and you'll see why here momentarily. I usually like to size these up and just make sure the box is fitting right. Same thing for the footer. You want to make sure that it goes to the top. Okay? And you want to do this for every page. So click the piece of paper, check the other pages, make sure they're good. Again, we don't have any content here, but we would if, we put that in there. Delete any random white space. You want to do that for every single page. Just make sure everything's perfectly centered. Make sure your buttons look good, right? You don't want your buttons looking tacky just because it's mobile. You go click page. You want to make sure that you push these all the way down even when you don't have your text there. So once it's there, it's already formatted because it will mess up your design. And in gallery, same thing. Make sure it's stretched across the whole screen. Okay. Some other cool things you can do on mobile is sometimes I like for these headers to actually span about times two the amount of the top. I personally think that usually looks better, but you don't have to. This is, again, up to you as the salon owner. You also want to click on the menu. Make sure you click on the edit menu just to make sure this looks good. So for instance, if this text is blue and I had red on desktop, I might want to go ahead and click design text, select it, and then make it the same color on desktop just for consistent branding purposes. And I might want to go ahead and make it EB Gammon because that's for consistent branding purposes. Save and publish. Always save and publish. I know I didn't do a lot of them on desktop, but you should definitely save and publish. So don't do what I was doing. Save and publish. It's important. The other thing is when we go back to editor, you want to make sure you add your quick links. So mobile tools, quick action bar. This is very important because it's what keeps your customers aware of what you have to offer. There's different designs they have. I usually like the white and black. Let me hide this real quick. But there's different colors you can choose from. And this just makes it easy for your clients to, get in touch with you, find your social media things of that sort. When you click Setup Quick Actions, you're just going to put the links or phone number to your business. And so again, when I'm on the phone, especially because you got to think about a smaller screen, if I just want to book an appointment or something, I should be able to go here. And you can add more options, such as adding a custom action that says book. And you just find the icon that you believe means book an appointment. Probably one that's like a calendar, I would assume. But it's up to you, right? This would probably mean book. And you would just, rename it to book today. So there are different options that you can use for that section. That's it. For the mobile editor. So even though it's very simple, it's very important because most of your viewers are going to come through the the online system more than likely. So as in always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let us know and we'll get this to you. We'll also probably go ahead and try to send a link to this site that we created, just so you have it. We're actually going to name it. And let me know if y'all have any questions or concerns. Thanks.